I've kind of always wanted to start my own studio. It's been a dream since I was little. I wasn't going to go into my own business straight away. I thought I needed a bit of time just to settle in after high school. But when the opportunity arose, I had a lot of people pushing me into the position, which was really good. I am actually happy that they did do that. My name is Sophie and I'm the owner of Unity Dance Studio. I've been dancing since the age of 3. I've also been teaching dance since the age of 14. I went to school at the Hunter School of Performing Arts and studied dance there for about 6 years. So during that time, I got to teach my own class and I found that that was a lot more enjoyable than actually dancing myself. So my studio is based 15 minutes outside of Cessnock in a town called Ellalong. So Ellalong is quite small and there's not a lot of range for after school activities. So having a dance studio out here allows for people and students around here to have something local. I teach dance because it's what I love to do. I've been dancing my whole life, so coming to work doesn't really feel like work. It's just something that I enjoy doing. So being a small business owner and being quite young as well, everything was just kind of just happened at the same time. Like graduating high school and then 3 months later opening my own business was quite the shock. At the moment, I'm sitting at around 70 to 80 students. Therefore, the finance side of that was kind of a little bit overwhelming. There was a lot of things happening at the time, and we were actually doing invoicing just through Excel, which just took forever to do. So Reckon just made things a lot easier and a lot faster. So instead of doing invoices over the span of like 2 weeks, it only takes about 3 days. With the use of Reckon, I'm fully able to be present and focus on teaching my weekly classes. Reckon's really quick and easy, so I can put my time and energy in doing lesson plans and actually focusing on the students. I hope our story influences younger people to start up their own business and not be afraid of the admin side of things.